Hi everyone. It was raining. I'm sorry because I can't record. Hold on, let me show right outside. Look, it's raining. I can't record I could record, but I can't send it to YouTube. Look, this is a mess. Hold on, let me... Heard the rain? The wind? It's pretty bad. Because, I'm sorry, because I can't record anymore. I could still record, but no more, because there's gotta be Wi-Fi on it, in case I'm still recording. Don't judge me. Don't judge me about Spanish. Got the banana. Yay! It's looking cool. Looking cool. Look at you. Looking cool. He's about to show me. Gotta end it right now. It's about to rain. I'll record it more next time. Bye.